Let's create an assignment. First, you go to classwork, then you go to create, and you have different types of assignments that you can create. We're going to focus on the basic assignment, and you can look to future videos about these other types of assignments. So we're going to click on assignment, and you have to have a title. We're just going to title this practice. The instructions are optional. You have the ability to add from different sources, your drive. You can link any website to this assignment. A file will be a file from your hard drive on your device, and YouTube, which is great. Now, you do have the option of just copying the YouTube link and posting it here, but when you do that, it takes you to the YouTube page. So on the YouTube page, you have the options of clicking on other videos, and that may distract students. So I like using the YouTube feature because it embeds the YouTube video within the assignment, and they don't have that option to click on other videos. They only can view the assignment that you've assigned. Now, you do have the option of creating a document within the assignment that is automatically embedded in this specific assignment. So you have the option of creating a document from Google Docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. Now, if you've already created any of these prior to creating the assignment, then you would just go here and get it directly from your drive. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click my drive, and I'm going to pull up the most recent document that I've used just for practice. You do still have the option of uploading. You can go directly to your drive and search any folder that you have, any shared drives that you are part of, anything that you've starred, you have access to those. So I'm going to click the most recent thing, and I'm going to insert it. That's actually a video. So I'm inserting that video. And since that I used that from my drive, it's going to be embedded with this assignment. I have the option of letting my students just view that file. And of course, since it's a video, they would just view. If it was a document and I wanted them to collaborate on it as a class, I could say students can edit file. If it was something that I wanted them to do independently, I will make a copy for each student. Now, a good thing to remember is that if you assign this assignment and then you go back and you want to edit it and say, I want it to be a copy for each student, that would no longer be an option. After you have assigned an assignment in Google Classroom, students can view file and students can edit file are your only two options. So if for some reason you made a mistake and you forgot, unfortunately you will have to delete that entire assignment, recreate it, and then upload the document again, and then make a copy for each student. So that's a good thing to remember. If you're not sure if you completed the assignment, it's always good to go ahead and just save that draft so you can come back and then complete it. You also have the option of using this same assignment for multiple classes. So I can click on however many classes I want that assignment to show up in. If you only use one class, you have the option of just assigning it to specific students. So if you have students who have modifications and they need certain assignments assigned to them, then the entire class does not have to view that assignment. You have the option of having it graded or ungraded. You can change it to however many points you want it to be worth for that particular assignment. You can give it a due date, which you can schedule it so it'll post at that specific time and date. You can organize it by giving it a topic. If you already have topics created, all you have to do is choose that topic and it will post underneath the topic that you have already created. You have the option of adding a rubric, and that would also be in a future video as to how to create a rubric. Once you're done doing your customization for that assignment, you can click assign and it will show up in the streaming page, and it will also show up in classwork. So it shows up here. And now you have your assignment.